Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your exact pixel model and whether it's supported by the Android 16 build you'll flash. Once done, enable developer options, turn on USB debugging, and enable OEM unlocking. This allows the bootloader to be unlocked. Make sure you back up apps and media because unlocking wipes the device. Install the latest ADB and fastboot on your computer and connect your phone with a good USB cable. This gets you to the very first actionable stage quickly and safely. You'll now obtain the Android 16 factory image or the full OTA package for your exact pixel variant and verify checksums. Next, boot the phone into fastboot mode and unlock the bootloader with fastboot flashing unlock. Confirm on the device. Then flash components in order: bootloader, radio, vendor, and system images using fastboot commands. Follow the image README for exact file names. If using an OTA, sideload it via a DB sideload after booting recovery. Keep the cable connected until all steps finish. Once flashing completes, you can relock the bootloader for security, but only after confirming system stability. Wipe cache and reboot. The first boot may take several minutes while Android 16 optimizes apps. After boot, restore your backup and accept firmware updates and Google Play Services prompts. If anything goes wrong, reflash the factory images in the same order, ensure your PC drivers are correct, or boot into recovery to sideload or factory reset. This single troubleshooting tip often resolves.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.